Every day is a struggle, every day is a trial, every day is a failure. I have to walk another mile, I'll go wherever you go. Every day is a heartbeat, every day another moan. Every day is a gallows, I can feel it in the bone. I'm alone. Take me home. As you make the bed, so you must lie. Every day is a rabbit trap and a walk of the lamb. Do you think you can sue me for that? As a judge of the land, I'll go wherever you go. This life doesn't go well with me. I'm not a member of the band. Do you think you can like me despite that? Sitting on God's right hand, I'm alone. Take me home. As you make the bed, so we must lie. Where the life force flows. No one knows where the next wind blows. All I know is that I'll follow you. It's a mouth bite and a gun to the throat, feeling like a wing-clipped kite floating in a boat. I'll go where the north winds blow. And is it your breath that I feel causing a chill to my neck? Do you cause me to kneel, feeling I'm just a speck? Oh, the heavy north winds will blow. As you make the bed, so you must lie. As you make the bed, so you must lie. As you make the bed, so you must lie.
I'm aware of the bonds that were created today. When you told me that sure there's a way, the water's so still and my pain has gone away. The air is much cleaner after it rains. Follow my love, a sentence in spring air. sorrow of yesterday disappear. Let your body be new. I'm a wanderer of the soul. Before the end I plan to behold, but I know I'll lose myself along the way. What's gone is gone, what's past is past. Let me leave what belongs in the past. The road ahead is quite unclear. Let me walk it despite fear. The road stretches over the hills, and I've got many debts to pay. Some are on their own way. My pay is not gold. You can't take anything with you when you go. Is your life fading more than you know? My state of mind is set on fear. The end's uncertain, future's near. Follow voices from below. Wherever I go, there's a chain. My own shackles drive me insane. Let your body be new.
Put out, but all I know is how to fall back into you. Oh, I wanna see ya. Now I'm ready to be hurt again. I'll end up in your lap while you pull me closer to your chest. I see it